What's good, world? The God Two Guns Up is in the building, you know what I mean? Go song for all them old bitch ass niggas out there, all them old frenemy ass niggas, old fuck ass niggas. Nigga, you's a bitch, full of female tendencies. Look, I just call them like I see them be. Nigga, you's a bitch. Pull your skirt down, fuck nigga. Playing pussy, get you fucked, nigga. Nigga, you's a bitch, full of female tendencies. And I just call them like I see them be. Nigga, you's a bitch. Pull your skirt down, fuck nigga. Playing pussy, get you fucked, nigga. Nigga, you's a bitch. Here we go again, got fuck niggas all in my mix. Got fuck niggas all in my mix. Taking shots at the guy they miss. Two twin Glocks, nigga, I don't miss. See the candy red foes, they twist. Blood diamonds around my neck and around my wrist. Your bitch on dick. Try to chill, let you niggas have it. Y'all got one too many female heavy. RuPaul ass niggas, old fag ass niggas, old green ass niggas, ain't about to cabbage. 2 guns up and I'm back and 2 focus nigga, my feet planted. You local jokers better check your hand. My deck stack when that plane land. I'm taking off, hit to shake them off. Hit the club, talking about she take it off. Make her suck that dick till the bitches off. They going.